Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this reading is for all the Libra people, Librans. So we will be checking your month of December and it's for Sun Moon Rising. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. So yeah, so I think we will be looking at your theme, a challenge, a blessing coming your way, and message from your spirit guides. So let's begin. Let's see what do we have for Librans for the month of December. So this is going to be the theme. Challenge, blessing, and let's look at your message from spirit guides. Wow. I think it's pretty interesting. All right, it's time to gain some wisdom, Librans. Okay, let's begin with your theme. So in theme we have joyous fun. Okay, 100% sure your month of December is going to be an amazing one. Okay, I see you spending time with your kids, with your family, or your loved ones, your friends, your community. Probably you might be hanging out a lot in the month of December. Let's clarify. Ace of Cups, Three of Swords, the World, and Ten of Wands. Okay, see, definitely there is a reason to celebrate in the month of December. Okay, now for some it can be a marriage, for others it can be any event where you spend a lot of time with your family, friends, with your people basically. But the major energy that I see here is for the ones who are single. Okay, I do seem that there's a brand new beginning in love. Okay, probably a new person, or with the same person there's going to be a new beginning. Yes, there has been times where this person kind of broke your heart, or you are heartbroken at the moment in the present, and you're not being able to let go of that burden from your shoulders. There are certain things which you are holding on to. Probably you are holding yourself responsible uh, for behaving in a certain manner. Okay, or you are clinging upon certain experiences or certain actions of yours or certain decisions of yours. It's like basically there is something, okay, which you're not being able to let go. Okay, and this burden is kind of consuming you, this burden is eating you up. Okay, and with this burden, I just feel that you're holding yourself responsible for something, and with this burden you are also heartbroken. Okay, so either you have been heartbroken, and you have also been heartbroken if you have broken someone's heart. Okay, you feel that you have kind of disappointed someone, you've hurt someone's feelings. Okay, and that is why you are also heartbroken. So I see a very soft energy in you. It's very baby like energy in you, where you are really sensitive towards the other person. You're sensitive towards the kind of actions you take, or the decisions you take, and when they turn out to be into something which is not so favorable for you or the other person, that kind of hurts you. But to your rescue, there's someone coming into your life. This person is definitely going to be someone who is going to give you the world. Okay, you will have a beautiful closure with this person. Your love life is completing. Okay, the puzzle is completing. Okay, something where you felt that something is incomplete, or you're not being able to complete, you're not being able to get that completion in life, you're not being able to reach that final chapter of your book. That is the time, this is the time, December is the time where you will finally write down the last chapter of your book. Okay, So a complete cycle is coming to an end in the month of December. Okay, it can be a spiritual cycle also, but it can be a, I would say, a heartbreak as well. Okay, now with the challenge we have deception. Okay, because you are someone who is a bit sensitive, so what happens with the sensitive people is that they will not see if they are deceiving someone, they will only see that they are breaking someone's heart or they are disappointing someone. Okay, some of you are empaths, and when I talk about empaths, I always say one thing, that your empath journey can either become your weakness or it can become your biggest strength. Okay, so this, the deception is about whether you have the eye and wisdom to witness a deception. There will be people who are going to be all jolly and everything on the face, there will be people who will manipulate you, there will be people who are going to put you in a tight spot, but that is the time when you have to see whether you have the wisdom and smartness to understand that the other person is just playing you. Okay, let's clarify this card. Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and Wheel of Fortune, and we have Four of Swords. I don't know why, but I do have a feeling that you have been with a person where you had to take a very impulsive decision. Okay, either you deceived the person or this person kind of deceived you, but something happened where you had to take a decision in heat of the moment. Okay, and probably there's a possibility that this has been a case in your life where you had this tendency to just escape from the problem instead of facing it. Okay, instead of giving it time to, you know, sort it out, instead of giving it time to, you know, come into rest, but you have been someone who has always acted a bit spontaneously, with a bit immaturity as well. So that is going to be the challenge in the month of December also. You will be dealing with certain people where your patience is going to be tested, whether you have the ability to solve the problems or not, whether you have the ability to have patience in life or not, because something happened in the past, and I think that is the reason why you're not being able to let that person go, or why you're not being able to let the past go, because somehow you are feeling that it was you who was at fault, and that is going to be the challenge as well. Universe is going to put you into situations where you will have to take instant decisions. Okay, so now the question is whether you're going to take decisions with utmost grounding energy, and that what do you call it, with that integration. Okay, by being in center, or you take hasty decisions by being angry or completely emotional, and emotions running high, energy going up and down, this kind of energy. I think you guys panic a lot, आप बहुत ज़्यादा पैनिक करते हो, आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा, आप लोगों को बहुत जल्दी एंग्जाइटी हो जाती है, which is why you end up being in a very stupid situation. Okay, but if you want, you can actually change it, and I do feel that you're going to heal this, because we have Wheel of Fortune. So you are deciding to bring a change into this behavior of yours, into this situation of yours, and you are also understanding that who are the people who are always about the face value, in the sense that they will show you something else on the face, and behind your back they are the ones who backbites the most. Okay, so you are also understanding who are these people. You are learning on how to you know how to identify such people. Okay, now let's see the blessing. So with the blessing we have Sacred Temple. Let's see what is the blessing here. All major cards, 3 major cards, and I'm also clarifying wisdom. Okay, So coming to the sacred temple, I do feel there is going to be a huge shift in your energy, because here also we have the spirit card, and here as well we have the spirit card. So either you guys are going to practice reiki or some kind of energetic healing, or probably meditating a lot. In fact, chanting is also something which will help you. Okay, I think chanting is something which is really going to help you to have that stable mind. Okay, it will keep your mind sharp, it will keep your mind in place. Okay, so practicing chanting is going to be great for you, because I think because you are an air element, so sometimes it can, if you don't integrate yourself, if you don't balance yourself, it will go out of your control. Okay, so your thoughts will go out of your control, your entire air energy will go out of control. Okay, so in order to keep it in control, mantra chanting is something which is going to be very powerful for you, and that will give you a lot of blessings in life as well. Now, which mantra to chant, I don't know which mantra to chant, but for some I'm getting either you should be chanting you can do Hanumanji ka jaap, you can do Siya Ram ka jaap. For some, you can also do normal Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is also, so I chant with Hare Krishna wala, and when I do it 3 times, it really helps me a lot to stabilize my mind, because whenever I am in some kind of confusion and my mind is going here and there, chanting is something that I would always prefer to do. Okay, so universe is going to give you a lot of wisdom, universe is going to show you the way to a higher path, to a spiritual path, so you will be a bit spiritual as well. Now, coming to a message from your spirit guide, so here we have wisdom. Okay, I think you will be entering the water world. Now, when I say water world, for me water world is the world of emotions. Okay, right now you have been more in your mind, okay, a very stubborn energy. Okay, but now you are leaving this rigidity, you are leaving this stubbornness, and you are entering into emotions. You are going to experience new emotions in the month of December. Okay, so be ready to burn the castle, because the castle that you have been living in did not have a good solid foundation. So you will be building something again, you will be rebuilding something in your life. It's just like वो legos का जो blocks वाला होता है, when you don't like something, तो आप उसमें से पूरे वो blocks हटा के you again make something, right? So this is what I see, that you are co-creating something, and with all the zeal, because now it's like I just feel that you will be so motivated and so inspired to change yourself, to improve yourself, and when you want that from within, there's nothing in the world that can stop you. Okay, so there's this passion of self improvisation, there's this passion of self development, there's this passion of knowing yourself and becoming a better person. So I think that is it, that is what I see for the month of December. So December brings a lot of wisdom, a lot of happiness, and a lot of freedom as well. So yeah, bye bye, take care.